Hello. This video will demonstrate how we can apply Gann skew analysis for trading. Um, in yesterday forecast, I forecasted that market will drop at least to 102,974 to test this Gann's line. So price dropped a little bit more and just touched this line and raised quickly. Let's look at lower time frame, 4 hours. So we saw that very exactly price was touched this line, drops up, and now it's at another Gann's line. Let's look at 1 hour. So price is just at this line. We can add MACD analysis to see better what is happening. Okay, 70 minutes MACD is below 0. 4 minutes MACD is below 0, but it yes multiplies crosses, so probably changing in trend is coming. But let's look on 5-minute chart. We have 5-minute chart that MACD is in strongly in bullish territory, but it is seemed oversold. Price is just at Gann line. So I think that this line could hold. So probably I will go short. I think better to wait for this line to be broken a little bit. But we can look also on 1 minute. 1 minute chart. MACD will cross just in minutes. So I'll wait for 1 minute MACD to cross and we'll go short. So once again, I think that this pattern is exhausted. I'm going short right now. Okay, so I think price will go maybe we'll test this line again, but I will take profits around here, 12992, or maybe we'll modify and we'll take a stop around 13055. Okay, around 60. So thank you for watching. We'll look what will happen. Thank you for attention. Bye bye.